Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I have a little bit of a haul for you guys. I did shopping. I didn't need to shop. Well, one thing I needed to get, but what can I say? I'm a shopaholic, so I have some like late summer pre-fall haulage to share with you guys, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I have to share with you guys is from a small business, an artisan business. I found this company on Instagram because I really enjoy spooky things, and it is this mug. It's like a creepy eyeball with like a tear and a cemetery on top. And this is from, I have the sticker on my wall, Cabinet of Curious Clay. So I love everything this artist makes. It's all creepy, it's all super cool. They have some Halloween type releases coming out soon, and I've got my eye set on like all of it. There's these cute jack-o'-lanterns. I'm always a fan of mugs, so really love this, and it's just a really nice sturdy mug, and it's just kind of extra special because it was handmade, so that's fun. Also, kind of going along with mug stuff, is I bought a new frother, and this is from Latte, I guess is the brand. I bought it at Williams-Sonoma online. I had one previous to this that was just a super cheapy, like literally there were probably 50 of them in a bargain basket at some store. I don't even remember what store it was from, and it kind of pooped out on me, probably because it was so cheaply made. So I wanted to get a really nice one, did some research, and I am obsessed with this. I am in love with it. I've got a cat hair on it. If you really like frothing up your coffee, this is pretty nice. It obviously doesn't heat milk or anything, but if you just like the froth and don't really care about the temperature aspect, it's perfect. I really like this because I enjoy Four Sigmatic powders and Four Sigmatic coffee powder, so it's really nice for incorporating the powders with the water or whatever you're adding it to. So obsessed with this. It's a really good purchase. I'm really glad I got that. And also sort of food related, I've got it on the floor next to me, I purchased the Vivo Life Ritual Plant-Based Protein in vanilla. I thought I would just mix it up and give this one a try because I see so many vegan influencers on YouTube that I really like that use this product. And I'm sorry if you can hear Austin talking on the phone in the next room, but you know, that's just how it is when you work from home now. But anyway, I saw so many influencers that I really like using the Vivo Life one, and so I haven't actually tried this one yet. We literally just opened it because we finished off the previous brand vanilla that we had, and Austin says he's not a big fan, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'm sure I will make a smoothie in a what I eat in a day video to come in the future, and I will give you guys my review of it then. In fact, I'll make the effort to actually remember to do that in a what I eat in a day video, just so I can share my thoughts on this with you guys. But yeah, we bought this. So the next few things I got from Loft, and they're sort of like pre-fall, kind of getting me into the mood for fall kind of items, because you guys know I love all things orange and fall, like the good basic bitch I am. So the first are these sunglasses and this really pretty goldenrod colored frame. It's just so pretty. And these I literally got today. I am kind of obsessed with them. Little cat point. Big fan of those. And then the next item is, it's two pieces that you have to buy separately, but they go together. So I have this sweatshirt right here. The inside is so soft. I just got this in the mail today too. I was waiting on one order to film this, and it's the softest. It's the most beautiful, like burnt orange, and I don't know if you'll be able to see the fabric. Come on, focus. There we go. It's like so soft. So that's gonna be a really nice little loungy sweater. And I got the pants to go along with it, which I got earlier this week, and I've already worn them twice because I'm obsessed. They've got a drawstring, they've got pockets on the front and the back, both of which are substantial pockets you can actually put things in, which is so nice. And they have the same super soft lining, which is amazing. They're so comfortable. Obsessed with these. I'm liking these. If there's one thing you check out from this video, I would say check out these pants because they are so comfortable and so nice. I will say though, I got a medium regular length, and I am 5 feet tall, and the regular length fits me perfect. So if you are any taller than me, you may want to look into the long length or tall length if they have that available, because I don't know who made these, but these fit like petites. Love that. And then this sweater is also from Loft, and I also love this. I wanted to wear it the other day when I first got it, but it was just way too hot. It's like been in the 80s. So here is the sweater. You can see it's got the really cute collar feature that goes all the way across the shoulders as well. And then there's just this really cute stitching in horizontal stripes all the way down. So it fits really nicely, especially if you're someone with a shorter torso. This is definitely a sweater that will fit nicely on you. I think it worked really nice being curvier on the bottom too, because sometimes when you have a tiny waist and then wider hips, when you have a big bulky sweater, it just turns you into a potato sack of a person. It looks terrible, but this one actually looks really nice. So I'll throw that down the pile down there. 2 more sweatshirts. My hair is doing some strange things over here. What are you doing, hair? 2 more sweatshirts. So the last Blockbuster in the US in Oregon has been selling merch online, and one of my friends on Facebook posted about it and I got suckered into it. So I bought a Blockbuster hoodie. Yep, I full on bought a Blockbuster hoodie and I love it. I don't even care. There's something very nostalgic about it. And here's the back. I think it's so fun. And you know what? We all were brought such joy as children from Blockbuster that, of course, I want to support it. And then the last sweatshirt, because bought a ton of sweatshirts apparently, is from Vegetarian, who is a vegan, obviously vegetarian, and she makes fun vegan shirts and sweatshirts and stuff. So this one, not necessarily vegan strictly, but good food, good mood, and it is kind of like a rust red. It's really cute and it's super soft. Like the fabric is just as nice as the products I bought from Loft. Love it. I will say though, I got the medium and I think they're unisex. I could have used a small, maybe even an extra small if I wanted it super fitted. So just note that on the sizing. I'm usually a medium, but I think I would have went down on this one, and I probably will on future orders if I order more stuff from her, because I like stuff, but like I can't always justify buying stuff, you know. So that is all the sweatshirts, and then I have a couple other clothing items that I have on hangers that I'm going to grab to share with you guys. Okay, so the first item is from Will's Vegan Shoes, which is a pretty popular, I think UK based vegan shoe store, but sometimes they sell ancillary type products like jackets. So I got this vegan leather jacket. It has a belt at the bottom and it has like a faux suede panel. I have to tell you, this is the nicest constructed jacket I probably own, and I got it in the large per the measurements online. And I will say, because I'm wider at the hips and I have a short torso, I need the large so I can zipper it, because the zipper hits like where my hips are basically. But if I didn't have that hippie problem, a medium would have did just fine, because the arms are a smidge long. but I can live with it because it's just such a nice jacket. So nice. I will link to this down below, and I encourage you to read the process of like how they came to make this and like the details that go into it. It's very, very involved. And then two things I absolutely did not need, and well, I'll get into it. It's basically Facebook made me do it, purchases. So this is TMI, but like I kept seeing this on Facebook and thinking it was the prettiest thing I've ever seen, and I'm not a lingerie fan. I think it's kind of pointless because it's just gonna come off anyway, but I couldn't. I'm like a yellow obsessed. I love the flowers. I had to have it. It's from Romwe, so like it's a little shameful. It's a lot shameful. Shouldn't probably be buying from a fast fashion brand like that, but I got suckered in. It was definitely a Facebook made me do it on my phone late at night. Didn't need it, bought it anyway. And to add a few bucks to the cart for free shipping, I ended up getting this dress. And I bought this in a large because you know how a lot of those Asian-based companies, the sizing can be a little crazy and like everything can fit a little tight, but this actually fit very true to size, and I got the large and it was a little too big. I could have used the medium in this. So it's just kind of a cute little floral dress, nothing special. But it is very, very lightweight, so I guess on really hot days this will be a good go-to. But once again, I'm gonna link to this stuff since I'm mentioning it, but like probably not the best company to be buying from, in all honesty. Like none of us are perfect, but whatever. And then the last thing to share with you guys, I actually have here on my desk and is in active use. I got a mouse pad, wrist pad for the keyboard combo type thing from Amazon. I'll link to it down below. This is just a really cute print and it's doing the job. I don't know what else to say about a mouse pad. It works, and the wrist guards are actually very cushiony, have really good bounce back, and it's nice. This is our new toaster, and as you can see, the openings are like extra long, which is really nice. And it has like a defrosting feature, which is also pretty cool if you're someone who doesn't use a ton of bread and you know you want to take it out of the freezer, defrost it, and then toast it. It's also got 6 toasting settings, and it comes with a little pamphlet that shows you what each setting should ideally look like. But this is probably my favorite little thing. It has these bars that come up, and so in theory these are meant for like warming croissants or buns or, you know, things that don't fit into the shape of a slotted toaster. But I have been putting marshmallows on skewers and just laying them across there, and that has been working amazing to toast marshmallows because I'm on a major s'mores kick right now. So that is our new toaster, and I'm really quite pleased with it. So that is actually everything I have to share with you in this video. I feel like I thought I had more stuff to share, but it's probably good that I didn't, because that means I didn't shop quite as much as I thought I did. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Remember to check out Amandaphenomenon.com for my weekly blog posts, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye!